What's good everyone, Dave here. Thanks very much for tuning into this video. Back in February 2019, I posted two videos unboxing and reviewing the Douglas Mattress and the Keetsa bed frame. In this video, I'm going to be doing a follow-up about 18 months later after purchasing the products, let you know how they're doing and what I still think of them. So, before we jump into the review, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please consider subscribing, and please consider sharing it. So I'll first tell a little bit about the Keetsa bed frame. I purchased this back in June of 2018, and it's made in the United States, and they do ship outside of the US. It's a hand-brushed metal frame with wooden slats. It sits fairly high off the ground, about 35 centimeters, but you get about 29 centimeters of clearance under the bed, so lots of room for storage. And the bed itself can hold up to about 900 kilos worth of weight on it. It does not come with a headboard, and that's something that I wish Keetsa would make, and I did put that in my first review video. But the legs do have slats in them that you could attach a headboard if you wanted. Now, when I was originally putting this together, we ran into some problems with the lock washers that came with it. Have a look at this clip from my original video. While we were assembling the bed frame, this is what happened. What was that? Holy shit. Part of this washer just broke.
The lock washer broke?
Yeah, the lock washers started snapping. Now, I can't remember how many lock washers snapped and how many went into the bed. However, over the past 18 months, I can only think of one instance where one of the remaining intact lock washers actually snapped. The frame itself is quite sturdy. It does not feel loose at all. And I still love the look of it. I think it's really stylish, very durable, very sturdy, and would absolutely recommend this if anyone's looking for a new bed frame. So this is the Douglas Mattress, and it's one of the many mattress-in-a-box products that are out there in the market. One of the unique things about this mattress is that it is a 100% Canadian design, built, and shipped. I'm not sure if they ship outside of Canada, but double check the website for shipping information. Now, I originally looked at three mattress-in-a-box products, the Bloom by Sleep Country, the Bear Mattress, which is out of the United States, and the Douglas. I decided on the Douglas, one, because it was Canadian, two, because they offered a 120-night guarantee versus the 100-night of the other two mattresses, as well as a 15-year warranty compared to 10 years on the other two. And as well with Sleep Country, you were not able to actually get a refund after the 100-night trial. You can only exchange it for another Sleep Country product. Now, this mattress is absolutely comfortable to sleep on. I really enjoy it, and whether you're a back sleeper, side sleeper, front sleeper, I think it would be great for anybody out there. With other mattresses, I believe it takes a bit for like the memory foam, the construction to kind of reform. This bed, it is very, very comfortable. It doesn't really mold to your body shape and then take forever to reform. This is a double, and I'm about 1.83 meters tall and pretty much fit right on this mattress from end to end. And what I usually end up doing is sleeping diagonally just so my feet aren't hanging off the end of the bed. I think maybe with a headboard it might be a little bit better to avoid your pillows falling off, for example. Now, knowing what I know about the size, I probably should have actually measured my bedroom to see if the queen size might have fit in here, but I think it would have been a very tight squeeze in this really small bedroom. And together, I think the Douglas and the Keetsa, one, they fit perfectly, and two, they look really good together. Would I recommend this mattress? Absolutely. I think I would probably try the Bear mattress next time, but I'm quite happy with the Douglas, and if you're looking for a good value in a mattress-in-a-box product, check them out. Now, as of recording this video on February 21st, 2020, Douglas still sells the mattress and Keetsa still sells the bed frame. Check their websites, links will be in the description for more information. I'll also put links to the original unboxing and review videos in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider sharing it, and please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.